You ever heard of salad frosting?
Oh,
Yeah. See, you thought I was lying. You thought I was lying.
the search result is 3 consecutive pictures.
Yeah. You didn't believe me. Salad frosting. It's the hot new trick to get your kids into eating more vegetables. Man, it's scary. What a time to be alive. I almost forgot. What a time to be alive, Will. We live in an era of salad frosting, sir. Never mind bezel-less displays and fancy cameras. We got salad frosting, 2019. Ladies and gentlemen. Kids still aren't eating their vegetables, so Kraft is going to give you, what did I call it? Did I just screw it up? Salad frosting?
Salad frosting.
It sounds weird to say it. Anyhow. Yeah, Kraft is giving you salad frosting so that eating salad can be more like eating cookies and milk. That's what it says here. Some combinations are a match made in heaven. Peanut butter and jelly, cookies and milk, and now salad and frosting. Woo!
So is it legit?
No, it's not. It's marketing. Okay. It's not actual frosting. It's some kind of dressing. You know, it's ranch.
I see.
It's Kraft to be having a laugh, you know, trying to fool kids into eating their vegetables. I don't know. Is that any good? Does that work? I mean, can you fool them really? How about you just convince them? Eat your vegetables or you're dead. You know? Are you happy with that? Not eating your vegetables is linked to XYZ. You want to read the article, child? Yeah, didn't think so. So, tell you what, no salad frosting in my house, Will. It's unbelievable, though. I guess you can't, marketing, who knows? Someone's going to pick it up. They're going to be in the store. Look at that mom. She's happy with it. Scroll down. Look at her. Look at her. She's never been happier. So my kids, they're eating broccoli now. Kraft saved my family. No, it's just marketing. It's just ranch dressing in there. Look at her. Salad frosting saved my marriage. See that? See that, Will? Okay, I may have made up part of that. But she's happy about it. I'll tell you what.
Oh.
Hey, Vin, look at this. Vin, see how happy she is there? Salad frosting. Anyway. Yeah, you never know what they're going to come up with. They're going to repackage everything until we're dead. Me and you, Will. They're going to repackage it, find another way. If you're Kraft, somebody got a promotion for this. They were in the boardroom. He's like, I got it. And then there was a huge pause. The whole boardroom. Salad frosting. And then everybody just promotion straight to the top. New office. New lease on a car. Special outfit. The usual. New assistant. All the rest of it. Salad frosting.